Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel GMR Celtech channel. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and activate bell icon. Okay friends, let us enter today's topic. Today's topic is TS Policy 2021 most important physics question. If you follow this question friends, definitely you will get 30 to 40 marks in physics subject. Total questions in the physics subjects are 60 questions. Out of 60, definitely we will get 30 plus marks in the physics. Let us see friends chapter wise most important questions. Reflection of light at curved surfaces. It is the first chapter in the physics. Let us see the questions friends. These are the most important questions from this chapter friends, and also you along with this you also remember this table is most important for all competitive exam like policy TS or GC. Okay friends, you must remember these questions from this chapter. Now let us enter in second chapter, chemical equations. In this chapter you must remember these questions. Here molecular mass of H2O is 18. You will get friends here how 18 is get the answer. Means here atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. Here number of hydrogens are 2. 2 into 1 is 2. And here oxygen atomic weight is 16. 2 plus 16 is 18. Now let us enter into the third chapter, acid, bases and salts. You remember this question from this chapter friends. Definitely 2 to 3 questions will get on from this chapter friends on the pH scale and the uses of bleaching powder, baking soda and washing soda. You must remember this, and you don't forget friends to remember here the formula of plaster of Paris and formula of gypsum. Here the formula is same, but here the water molecules are different. Now let us enter into the fourth chapter, reflection of light at a curved surfaces. From this you have to remember these questions. Now let us enter into the human eye and colorful world. From this chapter you definitely remember about 3 defects, that are myopia, presbyopia and hypermetropia. Among these 3 defects, one question will get definitely. These are the questions from the 5th chapter. Now let us enter into the 6th chapter, structure of atom. These are the questions from the 6th chapter, structure of atom. And here the quantum number is proposed by Bohr and it is denoted by N, and it describes the size of the energy. And here azimuthal number is proposed by Sommerfeld. It is denoted by letter L, and this describes the shape of the orbital. Here the magnetic quantum number is denoted by ML and it is proposed by Lande. It describes the orientation of the electrons. Here spin quantum number is proposed by Ulembeck and Gaudsmith. It is denoted by MS and it describes spin. Here the shapes of the orbital you must remember. These are the questions from the 6th chapter. Now let us enter into the 7th chapter. The 7th chapter is classification of the elements. Among these 3 questions, definitely one question will get in the examination friends. Eco boron is scandium, eco aluminum is gallium, eco silicon is germanium. These are the questions from the 7th chapter. Now let us enter into the 8th chapter, chemical bonding. Here the shape of the beryllium chloride is linear and the angle is 180 degrees. And here the shape of the methane is tetrahedral and the angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. Here shape of the beryllium fluoride is trigonal plane and angle is 120 degrees. Here shape of the water is V shape and angle is 104 degrees 31. Among these four shapes, one question will definitely will get in the examination. Now let us enter into the electric field. Among these formulas, definitely 2 to 3 questions will get in the examination. Here electromagnetic question, magnetism, 10th chapter. From this also will get questions. So you must remember this question, friends. These questions